Miami, created in 1844, is the southern tip of Florida. They're only 90 miles away from Cuba, and we spent a lot of time in Little Havana. Cubans, they are very proud to be American. They are very proud to be in America.
So how do you play dominoes? You ever play dominoes?
A lot of these Cubans, they also identify with Cuba, which was taken away from them from communism.
The only dominoes I ever played was lay them up and knock them over. Stevens, observates das los miembros del club del domino. 1. You gotta have partners. 2. If you're gonna expose yourself, don't do it in front of women. 3. No smoking outside of the table. 4. Don't eat termites.
In Little Havana, you've got all these awesome shops. You've got shirts, hats, all different types of merchandise.
All right, just bought a $120 beautiful linen shirt from the Cuban store. Gracias por su visita.
All right, you always get thirsty when you're out in the sun, and they've got a great mojito stand.
¿Para dónde yo voy?
There you go. Like a volcano. Oh, smell the mint. It's fantastic.
Right next to the mojito stand, they've got a beautiful restaurant. They got live music. They got lights flashing all over the place, and they have some of the best Cuban food I've ever had.
Beautiful wrapper, nice flavor. What can I say? This is one of my favorite cigars too.
Yeah?
Yeah. This is Maduro. Well, depends, no? But I like the Maduro of the Nestor Miranda, the Selection Especial.
Okay.
That's a great cigar, really.
Okay.
It's a beautiful cigar. Nice. The blend is very aromatic.
Okay.
And it's great. Especially in the morning, you can buy these sizes.
Okay.
Small sizes, but this is great after dinner.
Good. And what's the second one?
The second one.
You can only have 3 for the rest of your life.
3. This is one of my favorite too.
Okay.
It's Das brand. This brand is Clandestinos. It's a young brand. It's about the 7 year more or less, but they have a high control quality. Beautiful cigar.
Yeah.
Beautiful cigar in all sizes. This is one of my favorite. It's a Colosal. It's like a Cañonazo. It's a great
That's
cigar.
beautiful.
Yeah.
Beautiful wrapper. Okay, I'll buy this one too.
Which one is the most expensive?
No. It's favorite. Don't do this.
It's very easy. If we take this one, the Plasencia, one cigar is $50.
Is that your next third favorite?
No. No, really not. The next that I can recommend, or I should recommend, because it's the cigar of the owner of the business.
Really?
Yeah, but this is great. He started to sell it right now, but it's a great cigar. Santana cigar.
Santana cigar.
Santana cigar. He have a boss press and the regular size. Like
And what's the difference?
For me, I don't smoke usually boss press. It's not my favorite size.
Okay.
I like this circular cigar.
Okay.
That's a great.
Perfect.
Okay.
Okay, and the owner?
Yeah, the owner, the guy is
it Mr. Santana?
Santana, exactly.
Does he play guitar?
I think he plays playing guitar is better than sell cigar.
Okay, I'll buy these 3. These are like forever. These are good.
That's a great cigar.
Oh, thank you so much.
All of them.
Only for you guys.
Thank you.
There we go. I'm going to tell you right now, these friendly Cuban guys know everything about cigars.
Very special. Appreciate it. Hey, all right. We're in Cuba. No, we're actually in Miami. But this is the Cuban part of Miami. Got some cigars, got a great hat, got a good Cuban shirt, which I'm not wearing yet. We're gonna go shopping a little bit more, see what else they got. And I definitely want to get another one of those Cuban coffees because I need the energy. This feels great. So thanks so much for tuning in. This is their McDonald's. Look at how they decorate their McDonald's. Most festive McDonald's on the planet. So thanks a lot, guys. There you have it. If you got to drive down the Dad Ryan Expressway in rush hour or Cuba, this is the best thing to have. Gas mileage isn't that great, but the perks are that you get to drive on anybody that throws a finger at you.
They hated to be pushed away from their own beautiful country, but they were very grateful that America allowed more than 500,000 of them to come to Miami. Now that you look at it, the people that are here in America prosper way beyond people in Cuba in many ways, although their heart is still back there, hoping that someday communism will be ended.
And there's a huge museum that talks about the airplanes and the Bay of Pigs and all the other things that go on. And as you can see, this is a twin engine. It almost looks like a fighter. It's got 4 cannon or 4 bullet shooters in the front. I don't know if it was a bomber or not. The way it's set up, it could have been. But it's hard to say. It's got such large engines on both sides. It was made for speed. You can tell that there's more engine than there is plane. It's pretty cool. It's probably late 40s or 50s. What's the museum called again?
No, this is just Hialeah Garden Museum, I believe it's called. I gotta see a friend. It really doesn't have a name.
And it's a Cuban insignia at some point? I don't know. So I don't know if this is part of the Cuban Air Force or if it was something auxiliary, but it's pretty amazing, pretty cool. So.